Thanks for dropping by. Thanks so much. So this is our equation. This is what we are to solve. So let's rearrange them. So 3x squared. This 5y crossing to the other side becomes minus 5y equal to this plus 13 crossing over becomes minus 13. Now this one we can easily just say x plus 8 over 2 equal to y. This is our This is making y the subject of the formula. This is equation 1. And this is making y the subject of the equation. So we can use it to solve for x. So this is now y. So we substitute x plus 8 over 2 for y in equation 1. So wherever we see y, we impute this in equation 1. So 3x squared minus 5. Our y is now x plus 8 over 2 equal to minus 13. Equal to minus 13. So now we have 3x squared. This times this minus 5x. This multiply this minus 40 equal to minus 13. Equal to minus 13. So now, what do we have? Let's not forget our 2. So let's multiply both terms by 2. Multiply all the terms by 2. These 2. So this is what I mean. 2 times 3x squared minus 2 times 5x minus 40 equal to minus 13 times 2. 13 times 2. So here what do we have? We have 6x squared minus 6x squared minus, don't forget we have our 2. Let's not forget that. Over 2. So we can just easily cancel it out like this. So now we have our 5x minus 40 equal to 13 times 13. 13 times 2 is minus 26. Minus 26. So let's rearrange it kind of. This is x squared minus 5x minus 40 plus 26 equal to 0. This crossing over becomes plus. So now we have 6x squared minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. So what two numbers can we add or subtract to have minus 5x? The two numbers I'll be using will be plus 7x minus 12x, because plus 7 minus 12 will give you minus 5. Now we bring down our 14. So let's group them. Let's factorize them. So we'll have x, 6x plus 7. This multiply this multiply this. And then we'll have whatever we have in our first bracket, first box must be here. Because this multiply this is this, and this multiply this is this. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, which means x is equal to 2. This minus crossing over becomes 2. And also 6x plus 7 equal to 0. 6x plus 7 equal to 0, which means x is equal to 7 over 6 minus, because it's in positive here. Here it becomes negative. So when x is 2, when x equal to 2, y is equal to, this is our formula for y, so becomes x is now 2, so wherever we see x we put 2. 2 plus 8 over 2, which is 10 over 2, which is equal to 5. So our first value for y is 5. These are our values for x, 2 and minus 7 over 6. These are the values for x. This is the first value for y. Now the second value for y is when x equal to minus 7 over 6, y is equal to minus 7 over 6 plus 8 over 2. And when you solve this fraction, really very well, you should have something like this. Minus 7 plus 48 over 6. It should be equal to, 41 over 6. Let's not forget our 2. So we times 2 becomes 1 over 2. 41 times 1 is equal to 41 over 6 times 2, 12. So this is the second value for y. This is the first value for y, 5 and 41 over 12. Then the values for x are 2 minus 7 over 6. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.